finally here. I finally got this done. Actually, I've had this done for several weeks, but I've been waiting for Lulu, which is my print-on-demand publisher, to get that available on Amazon. And it's been several weeks and it's still not showing up on Amazon. So I think buying it direct from Lulu is a better option anyway, and I'll explain that a little bit later. But here we go. This is my latest book on my recipes that goes companion book to my YouTube channel. And this picks up where the other two previous books left off. My first book was freeze drying snacks and treats, and that's going to be available. It always has been on Lulu and Amazon actually, but not in that format. And then my next book was 40 freeze-dried meal pouch recipes, and again that's available and has been available on Lulu and Amazon. Now the problem with Amazon is, number one, they don't have the spiral bound binding. They don't allow you to list those on Amazon direct from the publisher. So in order to list those on Amazon, I'd have to buy a bunch of them, and you would order them, and then I'd have to ship them out, and it's just not cost effective, because they're much cheaper on Lulu. All of the books are cheaper on Lulu, except for these what they call your normal binding paperbacks. Those are listed on Amazon, but they have a premium, what do they call it? A distribution fee. And the distribution fee is half the price of what the normal book sells for on Lulu. So, I basically got to double the price to list these on Amazon. So I think that the spiral bound books are much better. So what this does is this picks up where those two left off as far as video wise. I just kind of like print the book up for the past year or two's recipes that I've done for your convenience. And I'm going to really push the spiral bound, because I like that, because you can go do like that and open it up to where you want to work and lay it down. Whereas these, you got to hold it open or crease it, or I just prefer the spiral bound, especially for recipe books. So this has got 50 new recipes. It's called 50 more freeze-dried meal pouch and treat recipes. I combined the two into one book, and we got 50 more recipes in here. Then this is for my past years or so. It's going back. So I broke it down into two sections: your treats and snacks, and then the savories recipes. And obviously the savory is larger, section is larger than the treats and snacks. And we just open it up to any recipe right there. And I got a little picture, a little paragraph written about it. Then we tell you the ingredients, the instructions on how to prepare it, the freeze drying instructions, and importantly, the reconstitution instructions. And then some of them will have notes at the bottom as well. What else can I tell you about this? It's a very substantial book. This is one of the largest one I've printed so far. Let's see how many pages this one has. 111 pages if you count the note pages. And I put a couple blank pages in there for notes. And there you go. I don't know what else to say about these. So these are available on lulu.com. I'll post a link and pin it to the top of the comments below. So you just can click that link and it'll take you to a page that has all my books. I would caution you, obviously you'll notice it in the prices of the books, because the paperbacks are more expensive because of distribution, and the spiral bounds are about half the price because they come direct from Lulu. I also have ebook versions of all these that you can download, and those are very affordable. I can't remember exactly how much, but it's like, I can't remember. If I say it wrong, then I'd have to redo the video. But you can scroll through them, and you can see the ebook versions, which is an instant gratification. You get a download of it. So I hope you look through these, and I hope you enjoy this. And like I say, this takes me up to, I want to say, a month, maybe a month and a half ago, of recipes on my channel at the date of publishing this video. And I'll start writing some more for the next book, which will probably be in a couple years, I don't know. So I hope you enjoy this. If you're interested, I'd like to see some of your feedback in the comments below, and I'd encourage you to kind of let me know how it's going. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we'll be making another great dish. Actually, I got a beautiful one in mind. I can't wait to get started on it. It's a little bit expensive for me, but we're going to be doing that. I'll see you next time.